Three large cap stocks that are setting up for a perfect technical buying opportunity. First up, we have Amazon.com, as shares have been in a well-defined uptrend over the past 2 years. More recently, you've seen a sell-off from the highs and come back down to retest the bottom end of this uptrend. So with shares of Amazon, you're looking to pick it up here in the low $210 range. You're looking for a rebound back up here. Previous set of highs were closer to $230 a share. If you can break those, well, then you have your all-time highs back into play at $240 a share. If you are looking to maybe swing trade shares of Amazon as it continues to make this move higher, you're looking to take some profits in that one. Next up, we have shares of AMD, which are in a slightly different technical pattern, as this one has been in a downtrend over the past 1 year. Now, technically speaking, we tend to not buy shares of stocks that are in long-term downtrends simply because you could have caught yourself getting stuck in shares of AMD at these elevated levels back here in the 150s. Now, the reason why this one makes sense technically at the current time is because you're at the very, very bottom of this technical downtrend. And so with shares of AMD, you're also looking at a psychological support level of $100 a share. So your hope is to pick up shares of AMD in the low hundreds, and you're looking for a rebound to break above your previous set of highs in the mid 100 and teens. If you can get up here closer to the $117 range, well, then you'd be at the middle of the channel and you have possibly some further upside back here in the $120 range. Now, with shares of AMD, you will be setting a stop loss considering the fact that this is in a technical downtrend, and that stop loss would be right here at $95 a share, because if you break that, well, then the sell-off with AMD will likely continue to get worse. Now, sticking with the semiconductor trade, the last company in a perfect technical buying opportunity are shares of Broadcom, which more recently confirmed that technical support at $195 a share. This one having sold off roughly 20% from their all-time highs. Considering the fact that Broadcom perfectly bounced off this level, your aim is to pick up shares of Broadcom at the low 200s, and you're hoping for a rebound back here in the $240 range, if not higher, to make new all-time highs in the 250s. Again, with Broadcom, as shares continue to move up, you're probably looking to peel off some profits. Now, with Broadcom, you're also setting a very tight stop loss at $190 a share, considering the fact that you've gapped up in your previous earnings. And if you break this 190, you're probably coming back here in the low 180s at least. Now, complicating things slightly with Broadcom is the fact that they report their earnings in about 6 days from now on Thursday after market close. We'll be sure to cover those earnings for you here on the channel, so get subscribed if you haven't already.